Honorable Sabina Chege was long overdue. Sabina Chege and our colleagues, Kanini Kega, particularly Kanini Kega and the rest, they had already shown interest to work with the current government, KK government, while they are in the opposition. So if you are in the opposition, there is no way you can still pretend to be working with the government of the day who have formed the majority in parliament, and then at the same time, you want to officiate them from the opposition. So we appreciate that, and we support the position that was upheld yesterday by the Speaker, Honorable Wetangula. And we are fully behind the new leader, Honorable Mark of Nairobi.
Yeye alisema aliona umeshikilia vibaya kamera ndio maana akakuja kusaidia.